Before you buy another screen protector for your phone, make sure that you watch this video right to the end, because these are the best screen protectors I've ever tested, and I've tested a lot. These ones from LISEN are absolutely fantastic, not only because they are really great quality, they're 9H hardness, scratch resistant, and they are Ultra HD, so there's no like mist or anything on these. They're really clear. You can barely tell that they're on there. The installation process is just phenomenal. It's so good, it's so easy, guaranteed bubble free. If you do get any bubbles, then it's user error. You've probably got a little bit of dust on there. Every single time, I've tried it 3 or 4 times now, putting it on my iPhone and taking it off. Using this flash install system that they've got is just superb. So in the box you get 2 of these screen protectors for $11.99 in the UK at the moment. There will be a link in the description down below. What makes this special though, like I said, is the installation steps. So when you open it up, you get the step-by-step guide of how to install this, really clear, really precise. It gives you what's in the box as well. What you've got here is like a little squeegee, really handy to have, and you keep these knocking about because if you install them in the future then you can use them again. Installation auxiliary tools is what this is called, and in here you've got the stickies to get rid of the dust, you've got a cloth, and you've got a wet wipe to clean the phone before you actually apply the new screen protector. And this is a screen protector itself. What you have to do is you put this on the phone. It comes with a plastic protective bit there to stop any dust getting onto the back of the screen protector before you apply it, and this is sort of the frame you put over the phone while you're applying it. So get the phone clean, do all that, take the dust off with the stickers, make sure you apply this on top of it really quickly so you don't get any more dust on there while you're messing about. First thing to do is when you've taken the plastic cover off is to put this on top of your phone before you get any more dust on there, and then to prevent dust getting on the actual screen protector itself, you pull out this tab. You pull this tab out and that takes off the protection on the screen protector itself, allows it to stick to the phone. And then you put your finger through the middle of this hole. It's got a hole in here where you're pressing the top of the screen protector, and then what you do, you press down, hold your finger there and pull this up off the phone. Guaranteed perfect installation, perfect fit around the sides, dead central, bubble free every single time. And like I said, I've tried it a few times now and it just worked seamlessly every time I did it. So not only are these great quality, not only are they absolutely brilliant to install, you just get a perfect fit every time on the phone, and you need a screen protector. I've tried using my phone without a screen protector for a while and I did get micro scratches. No matter how scratch resistant Apple say these phones are, you will get micro scratches. And if you drop it as well, the screen protector 9 times out of 10 absorbs that shock, absorbs the vibration of the impact, and stops your actual screen from smashing. That's happened to me a couple of times and it's devastating. The LISEN screen protectors with their flash install system works perfectly every time. Really good purchase, and for such a cheap price you get 2 of these and you're bound to protect your phone for months and months to come. So go and grab them. If you want to buy them, there will be a link in the description down below. But that's it for this video. Make sure you do subscribe down below. We've got big stuff every single week. So busy, should be a full-time YouTuber, but I'm not yet. Help me get there by subscribing and pressing the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll see you on the next one though, guys. See you soon. Bye.